What's going on, guys? We're here to talk about rational and irrational numbers. We're just going to do quick examples. So first of all, a rational number can be written as a fraction. So some examples of that would be obviously a fraction. So there's an example. 3/4 would be rational. What's another example? Well, any decimal that terminates or ends and does not go on and repeat is also rational. Okay, so that's another example. Another example might be and it continues and repeats forever, then it's still rational. That can be written as a fraction. They also write it like this. Okay, so you'll see either one of those. So those are all rational numbers. So those are just some examples. Or just a normal number, even the number, let's say 10, that can be written as a fraction. So now let's look at some irrational numbers. These are numbers that cannot be written as a fraction. So pi, okay, pi is 3.14 and keeps going on. So in that case it is irrational because it cannot be written as a fraction. Another example might be square root of 2. Okay, if you do like the square root of 2, it's different than the square root of 4 because the square root of 4 is 2, which would be rational. So if we wanted to kind of throw that over here, square root of 2 is, or square root of 4 is 2. So in that case, it would be rational. But when you take the square root of 2, it's not going to be a perfect square. So it will be 1 point and it'll go on forever. So again, that is irrational. Another example is a decimal that does not repeat and goes on forever. So in that case, that is also irrational. So here's some examples of rational, irrational. Make sure you follow us on, follow me on Mr. Gossam, Mr.Gossam, no space, and Twitter at Gossam's Math Kids. So if you do that, greatly appreciate it, and now you know more.